Hey everyone, if you're tired of surprise bills derailing your finances, you're in the right spot. Today, we're tackling how to budget your monthly bills using Goodbudget, a user-friendly app that brings the classic envelope system into the digital age. It's perfect for anyone wanting to take control of their money without the hassle. First things first, let's get you started. Download the Goodbudget app from your phone's app store and create a free account. It's quick and straightforward, so you'll be up and running in minutes. Once you're in, the key is setting up your envelopes. These are virtual categories for your expenses, like rent, groceries, utilities, or entertainment. Think of them as digital wallets that help you allocate your money wisely. For example, if your rent is $1,000 a month, create an envelope just for that and add the amount. Next, when you receive your paycheck, it's time to fill those envelopes. Open the app and distribute your income across them based on your priorities. This ensures you're not overspending in one area at the expense of another. Now, tracking is where the magic happens. As you spend, log your expenses in the app. Goodbudget will show you how much is left in each envelope, helping you stay on track and avoid going over budget. A few pro tips to make this even easier. Review your envelopes at the end of each month to see what worked and what didn't, and set up notifications for low balances so you never miss a beat. It's all about building habits that last. By following these steps, you'll gain clarity on your finances and reduce stress from monthly bills. So, what are you waiting for? Give Goodbudget a try today. Your wallet will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more budgeting tips. Thanks for watching.